Alright, boss. First timer here. Getting the Garmin set up. We're gonna put the Garmin on Chandler's bow. Take off his old sight. Get him set up.
You bet.
For December deer hunting.
Heck yeah. Use pin to shoot target. Use to adjust brightness. Brightness is good. That's where I was aiming at to be. Bingo. It's all set up. Ready to shoot a deer now.
Over the years, I've been very fortunate enough to do a lot of hunting myself in front of the camera. But, you know, for once I wanted to get back to my roots and get back behind the lens. That's how HB started, with us having a drive and passion to really want to produce and film our hunts. Well, Chandler has done exactly that over the last few years. He's filmed and produced a lot of quality content. So for once, I wanted to give him the chance to try and kill a buck himself and me get back behind the lens.
Is it a little low? Or is it perfect? Am I just bleeding good? Yeah, she's bleeding good. Sweet, we did it. Good job. We did it. We broke the curse. Oh yeah. Here we go. And already you can see blood pouring out right here. Yeah, here's blood right here. Of course she would go in here. Ow, son of a gun. I'm bleeding. Oh my gosh, a bunch right there. There she is right there, I think. Yeah. She didn't go far at all. Goodness. This doe is giant. I don't think I've ever killed one this big. This doe came right in, perfect. Closer than all the others, and heck yeah, made a great shot. She didn't go very far at all.
So Chandler had never really killed a big buck with his bow. I wanted to hopefully help him fulfill that goal. Our plan was to go after a buck we called Rebound. Rebound is a buck I have years of trail camera history with, but very few encounters in person. He's a buck that tended to show up later on in the rut and early on during the late season. A buck that was old, has a big frame, and is one that was going to be tough to outsmart.
Here we go!
It's November. Oh, it's December. It's December now. December 3rd. It's December 3rd, and me and Shawn came up to the farm, and Mike, Shawn, and Rex were gracious enough to allow me to come try to kill a buck. We got a couple different ones that I have the option of killing, and we're just hoping that one comes out here tonight. We came in and mowed some corn really quickly before we came out here. So we'll see how it goes. It's like 45 degrees, so it's getting a little bit cooler than what it has been. So hopefully they'll start focusing on food and come on through. It's Rebound. I see him. Holy crap. He's about to step into the field. Gosh, he's such an old looking deer. You see him, Shawn?
Yeah, I see him.
Oh my God. Is he gonna go down right there? What's going on? He's covered in blood.
Is he?
He's absolutely covered in blood.
Is he?
Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. That's the biggest deer I've ever killed. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Even though I was beyond ready to get in there and get my hands on Rebound, we concluded that it would be best to leave him overnight and trail him first thing in the morning.
See if we can find any blood with all this frost on the ground. There it is. There's no white fletching. It's covered in blood. There's a bunch of blood. Holy cow. Oh, he's right there. No way. Oh my gosh. I was sitting there looking for blood. Oh my gosh. You didn't even tell me. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, Shawn. This is the biggest buck I've ever killed. I'm just so excited to even have an opportunity to kill a deer like this. Yeah, he's an awesome deer. Yeah, he was like 12-inch spike on this right side last year, and yesterday we just were talking about him, and Shawn was like, oh, we need to get a new name for him because, you know, he's not half rack bub anymore, and Mike's like, oh, Rebound or Comeback, and so we chose Rebound and had no idea that he's gonna come in. Thank you so much, Shawn. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. First big buck with my bow. I mean, this is crazy.
Ever since I was a kid, I've always dreamed of working for a hunting TV show. The Lord has blessed me with working with some of the best guys on the planet, and I can't thank them enough for these amazing opportunities that they have given me. The story of Rebound is one I will never forget, and I will always be so grateful to these guys for bringing me into the HB family and allowing me to switch roles and kill my biggest buck to date.
Man, look at those fletchings. Look at how burned.
I'm excited to go find him. I wish I could just go to sleep and it'd be morning.